We're about to delve into the astonishing world of chickens. These everyday birds you see clucking about have some truly mind-boggling secrets. I'm Tom, and today we're uncovering 20 incredible facts about rescued chickens that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew. Prepare to be amazed. Let's get cracking. Number 1. Facial recognition. Forget Facebook. Chickens have it sorted. These feathered friends can recognize over 100 faces. They know every beak in their flock, and even some human faces too. Number 2. Chicken chit-chat is more sophisticated than you think. It's not just clucking about. Chickens have a complex communication system with over 30 different sounds that convey everything from warnings to food alerts to social bonding. Number 3. Feeling down. Chickens could be your new best therapist. Studies show that chickens are highly empathetic animals, capable of sensing and responding to the emotions of others. They'll even try to comfort a distressed friend. Number 4. Forget rainbows. Chickens see a technicolor dream world. Their eyes perceive a broader spectrum of colors than we can, including ultraviolet light. Talk about a vibrant world. Number 5. Math whizzes. Yes, chickens can add and subtract. Simple calculations are no problem for these brainy birds. Number 6. Peekaboo, I still see you. Chickens understand object permanence, just like human babies. They know that hidden objects still exist. Number 7. Friends forever. Chickens form strong social bonds and have their own BFFs within their flock. They even show preferences for certain individuals, just like we do. Number 8. Art appreciation. Chickens have it. They've been shown to prefer certain colors and patterns, suggesting a basic sense of aesthetics. Number 9. Glass half full or half empty. Chickens have distinct personalities, with some being more optimistic and others more pessimistic. Number 10. Willpower. Chickens have it in spades. They can delay gratification, choosing to wait for a larger reward later instead of settling for a smaller one now. Number 11. Cause and effect. Chickens get it. They can understand that one action leads to another, demonstrating a basic grasp of cause and effect. Number 12. Planning for the future. Chickens are on it. They can make decisions based on anticipated future events, like storing food for later consumption. Number 13. Each chicken is unique. Just like us, they have their own individual personalities, preferences, and quirks. Number 14. Puzzle masters. Chickens are quick learners and problem solvers. They can figure out complex puzzles and navigate mazes with ease. Number 15. Monkey see, monkey do. More like chicken see, chicken do. Chickens learn by observing others, copying behaviors and skills from their flockmates. Number 16. Social climbers. The chicken coop is a complex social hierarchy with dominant and subordinate individuals. They even have their own pecking order. Number 17. Self-aware. Some studies suggest that chickens may be able to recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of self-awareness. Number 18. Memory champions. Chickens can remember over 100 different objects, faces, and locations. They even outperform some human toddlers in memory tasks. Number 19. Super hearing. Chickens' ears are incredibly sensitive, allowing them to detect sounds that are too faint for us to hear. And finally, number 20. Therapy chickens. Yes, they exist. Rescued chickens have been used to provide comfort and companionship to people in hospitals, nursing homes, and other settings. Seriously, how cool are chickens? These rescued birds are way more incredible than we ever gave them credit for. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing chicken facts that will change the way you see the world. Let's spread the word about these feathered geniuses. This is Tom, signing off. Cheerio!